In today's video, I will be discussing the side effects of straight piping a 2-stroke ATV. Two-stroke engines like this need proper back pressure to run properly, and the muffler and exhaust system is a big part of that. Without it, they will not run properly, and that's why not many people straight pipe 2-stroke engines, and it is a bad idea. In this case, I was plowing snow with this four-wheeler about 2 years ago, and the exhaust just fell off the engine. Trying to get a good view of it here. Yeah, you can kind of see right there, right off the mounting studs, the pipe fell right off the motor. So this thing ain't even straight piped, it's snow piped. But yeah, so we have left it that way for 2 years just because it hasn't been a priority to fix, and just haven't had the time or major need, because it does still run, but there are a few disadvantages and side effects that we've been having due to that. With a 2-stroke four-wheeler, from what I've learned now that the exhaust is off of it, it has caused it to run somewhat erratically, and a lot of the time it idles high. So high that it will not shift into high. I'll show you in a minute. I'll start it up for y'all. But when I try going in high, a lot of the time it makes a weird noise and it won't go all the way in high. Shifting the rest of the way is not as bad, but still hard. So yeah, idles high, and to a shift when it does idle high, sometimes we just use the choke to almost let it die, and then as it's dying and idling lower, shift it and quick turn the choke off before it dies. That's how we get around that. And otherwise, it still runs fine. That's really the only major thing from the exhaust being off. I'll start it up for y'all and take us for a ride so you can hear it, and especially, hopefully, you get a good look at what shifting it does like. So that's what it sounds like, and as you saw in the beginning, it won't really shift very well idling. So the first time I accidentally put it in low, so then I heated the choke and got it in high again. Yeah. So really, a 2-stroke ATV without the exhaust is still usable, but it's not perfect. Main thing is just idling high. And yeah, this video is just going to be a good explanation of that, and hope you learned something.